In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight events in Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing personal appointments or managing multiple tasks at work, using color coding can make your schedule easier to navigate at a glance. So let's dive into how to customize your Google Calendar events with colors effectively. First, we'll talk about how you can change the color of entire calendars as well as individual events. Having a colorful calendar may seem simple, but it's truly a powerful organizational tool, letting you prioritize and differentiate between various commitments, tasks, and personal events. Start by opening your Google Calendar. You can do this through any browser by signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll want to draw your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where it says My Calendars. This section is where you find all the calendars linked to your account. Now, if you want to change the color for an entire calendar, look for the specific calendar you'd like to customize. Hover your mouse over its name. You'll see three vertical dots appear next to the calendar name. This is often referred to as the More option. Click these dots to reveal a menu filled with color options. There you'll have the choice to pick a color from several preset options. If you have a specific shade in mind that's not demonstrated, click on the plus sign to explore an extensive color palette where you can choose a custom color that suits your preference. Once you decide on a color, remember to click Save to ensure your choice is applied. This makes all the events associated with this calendar visible in the selected color, offering a neat overview whenever you glance at your calendar. If you wish to change the color of individual events for further clarity or prioritization, here's how you do it. Go back to your calendar view and find the specific event you want to highlight. Right-click on this event. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose a new color from the same range of options available for calendars. Just like before, select a color that stands out to you. This feature is especially useful for marking urgent tasks or highlighting important meetings. Incorporating these color coding techniques can really elevate the way you organize and view your tasks and events. By applying different colors to distinct categories of your life, like work, personal, or family events, you'll find that maintaining balance becomes much more straightforward and visually accessible. So that's it. With these simple steps, you can now transform your Google Calendar into a vibrant, organized, and more manageable tool that works for you. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.